Sekuphele isonto imboni yamatekisi eKapa itelekile. Namhlanje kubanjwe umkhuleko wonxusa ukuba kube nokuthula eKapa. Kulo mkhuleko iSantaco inxuse ukuba kube nokuthula ematekisini. iSantaco ithi bingacabangi ukuthi isiteleka sizodonsa isikhathi esingaka.
Even though we had said 7 days, we never ever imagined that actually would go on for the full 7 days. We had hoped that something would happen, we would be able to meet each other halfway between us and government, so that our vehicles could go back to operations.
Ngesikhathi ikhuluma ohlelweni lasekuseni lwe-Newsroom Africa, i-Newsfeed AM, imeya yaseKapa ithe ungqongqoshe wezokuthutha uSindisiwe Chikunga akanayo imvume yokubatshela ukuthi badedele amakhumbi aboshiwe. Lokhu-ke kuza emva kokuba ungqongqoshe ekugxekile ukuboshwa kwamatekisi eKapa izolo.
The minister does not have the legal authority to instruct us to release the taxis. So it's not about undermining. It's about just sticking to the law. She does not have that authority. So if she is unhappy with the way that her law, the National Land Transport Act, is applied, she's free to change it.
Umengameli wezwe uligxekile udlame oluqubuke eKapa.
Blocked roads that lead to blocked businesses, blocked education, and blocked health services impede the services that should be given to the women of our country as well.
Lolu dlame lushiye inkampani yakwa Golden Arrow ilinyelelwe ngamabhasi angu-25. Kanti bahlanu abantu okusabikwe ukuthi bashonile. Kwaboshwa abangaphezulu kwekhulu.